This is Mr. Keisuke Matsubayashi, a youngster who is trying to take tradition and culture into the future that I introduced in the previous video. Mr. Keisuke, who up until the age of 20 did not know his path in life, decided to work alongside his father, Mr. Setsuo, in the craft of Kumiko. It would be remiss not to mention more about Keisuke's father. Mr. Setsuo is not only a master Kumiko crafter but also has the hands of a talented painter.
やっぱ兄弟子じゃないですか、大先輩じゃないですか。でもその前にやっぱ親父っていうのがあるので、やっぱ反発したり、それで喧嘩したりっていうのがあったんですけど、最近もうほとんどなくなりましたけど。
My name is Setsuo Matsubayashi, and I created the piece Shinano no Senga, Shinano Mountains and Rivers. Through this work, I attempted to capture the local scenery around my house. I often go to the Japanese Alps to paint and sketch. When I go there, the atmosphere is always different, depending on the season. The air is different, the wind is different. I store these impressions in my mind, gradually transforming them into drawings. When I can get a good sense of the atmosphere or season, I produce good drawings. Whenever I look at these mountains or the Alps, they appear to be flat geometries as though on a folding biobu screen. But in reality, they are shaped more like upside-down rice bowls that overlap. I try to express these within the Kumiko as much as possible by articulating the ridgelines and using these color combinations to bring out some three-dimensionality, expressing the layered atmospheres of the mountains. Regarding the expression of the Alps here, the mountains are composed to recede gradually into the distance as we move towards the center. Another element is that I place a point of focus at the foot of the Alps. And from there, draw out the atmospheric qualities of the flat plains, all of the flat areas, by increasing the pattern's transparency. In terms of colors, this black, this slightly brownish black here, and this reddish black are all the same shape, but different color combinations change the atmosphere, creating patterns using the leaf motif. I create varying expressions of black by differentiating between the shade of the color here versus the shade of color there. This one has a black perimeter and a brown center, whereas this has the reverse with a light brown frame and a soft black center. We create landscapes by combing beautiful colors with other different colors. Painting techniques in Kumiko. I have worked with oil paintings for a long time, but certain color combinations look beautiful and feel right. It is the same with color combinations in Kumiko. I work with intuition.
やっぱスピードもそうですし、正確さと綺麗さで、実際同じような仕事をやってみるとやっぱ同じようにはできないじゃないですか。そういうのを感じるとかなわないなと思いますけどね。
Mr. Setsuo is currently working on a partition that will be used in a temple. He's using a type of cedar called sindai, which has been buried under the earth for over 1,000 years. The Kumiko piece at the center is quite big. Furthermore, it's an extremely delicate design. Mr. Keisuke is chasing after his father, but he has yet to even see his back.